Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up ESPHome with sensors on Home Assistant step by step clearly. To set up ESPHome with sensors on Home Assistant, start by installing Home Assistant on your preferred device. Ensure your device is running and accessible on your local network. Next, open your web browser and navigate to the Home Assistant interface. From the sidebar, select the Supervisor tab. In the Supervisor panel, click on the Add-on Store. Look for the ESPHome add-on and click on it. Once you're on the ESPHome add-on page, click Install to begin the installation process. After the installation completes, click on Start to launch the ESPHome add-on. Navigate to the Configuration tab and ensure that Show in Sidebar option is enabled. Now, click on ESPHome from the sidebar to access the ESPHome dashboard. To add a new node, click on the plus button in the top right corner. You'll need to enter a name for your node. Choose a meaningful name that reflects the sensor's location or function. Next, select the board type for your device from the drop-down menu. Common choices include Node MCU, Wemos D1 Mini, or ESP32. After selecting the board, click on Submit. This will take you to the YAML configuration page for your new node. Here, you can define your sensors and their respective configurations. For example, to add a DHT22 temperature and humidity sensor, start by typing sensor at the top of the configuration. Below that, specify the details for your DHT22 sensor, such as its name and pin configuration. Make sure to include any necessary libraries by adding required _components if prompted. Once you have completed the configuration for your sensor, click Save. Next, you'll need to compile the code for your device. Click on Install and choose Plug into this computer if your device is connected via USB. Follow the on-screen instructions to upload the firmware to your ESP device. If your device is unable to connect directly, you can set up over-the-air (OTA) updates instead. For OTA, ensure your device is on the same Wi-Fi network and click Install again. Choose the wirelessly option and follow the prompts. After uploading, you should see your device appear in the ESPHome dashboard. To integrate it with Home Assistant, navigate to the Integrations tab in Home Assistant. Click the plus button in the bottom right corner, then search for ESPHome. Enter the IP address of your ESPHome device and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.